Your shop is busy and the technology keeps moving faster. You need master level technicians, but you can't afford to lose them 4 days at a time to traditional training. Weber State University's Automotive Service Technology Fast Track is professional development designed for your shop's needs. You can get your tech skills in maintenance and light repair, electrical, brakes, suspension, and steering, and more. And they'll be working on industry standard equipment in our state-of-the-art facility.
It's amazing to have all this equipment and all these vehicles and where to work on stuff, a dyno, full engine teardown equipment, all this stuff that would be hard for even a commercial shop to obtain.
The best part of the Fast Track program, your technicians stay on your clock. With weeknight courses, your techs learn at night and apply those skills in your shop the next morning. Reduce diagnostic errors, increase your number of skilled technicians, and show your best employees there's a future with your company. Get your employees the skills you need fast. Partner with Weber State's Fast Track program today.